everybody. Obviously we're in Cozumel and just ended the day here and went to Nachi, Cocom. That's what you saw in today's video. Obviously it's in the title of the video if you're watching this on the single day, because I do these videos like individual day videos, and then at the end I put them all into one long video. So those of you guys watching this on the one long video, today was Nachi, Cocom. It was nice. Water was a little cool out there, but it's well, beats snow and ice. Of course, this week at home it was like 80 degrees, almost 90 degrees. Freaking crazy. Anyways, we're getting ready to go to dinner, and I'll tell you what I do, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it tonight, but they have double lasagna, and I've done it last two cruises I've been on, last 2 or 3 cruises I've been on, where it's like you have lasagna for your main entree, but you also have lasagna for an appetizer. It's the same lasagna, just a little smaller. And I love their lasagna here. It's my favorite meal that they do on here. Well, one of them for sure. So we're gonna go eat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the views. The water was a little murky. It was a little murky today, but felt great. The grouper, oh my gosh, you guys have got to get the grouper. It tasted so good. Nachi, Cocom. Yeah, if you're not into the whole party crowd like at Mr. Sancho's, go to Nachi, Cocom. They only have limited a number of people that go. So anyways, we're about to sail out, and we're also about to go eat.